To gamble or not? Opinions of Congress and government agencies are divided on whether to totally ban online gambling or just impose stricter regulations. Let's find out how much it contributes in public funds in this Mela Las Moras report.
The Department of Economy, Planning and Development, or DepDev, supports the proposal to completely ban online gambling in the country. During today's hearing of the House Committee on Games and Amusements, DepDev said that online gambling does not significantly contribute to the economy. However, the agency also said it would not oppose if the House preferred the enforcement of stricter regulation on it.
The DepDev supports either a complete ban or prohibition of online gambling, or if not, a strict regulation of the industry. This is considering its minimal contribution. In our estimate, we considered the contribution minimal at around 0.37% of GDP.
But for its part, the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, or PAGCOR, has a different perspective on the issue. Since they oversee online gambling operations in the country, PAGCOR recognizes its contribution to government revenues. If online gambling were to be banned, PAGCOR said it would lose more than half of its income.
The PAGCOR income po, 50% po nito goes to the National Treasury. So, ito po yung ginagamit po ng ating government to fund its priority projects. Ito rin po yung sinasama sa budget ng ating mga iba't ibang agencies. So definitely po, if the online gaming po will be banned, maapektuhan po talaga yung share na binibigay ng PAGCOR sa ating National Treasury. As of now po, almost 60% na po ng income ng PAGCOR come from online gaming.
Lawmakers earlier emphasized that they will carefully study the issue, weighing whether it is time to impose a total ban or if stricter regulations would suffice. In the end, they said they will push for what is best for the Filipino people.
When left unchecked, online gambling poses serious risks to our people. Yet, as PAGCOR has emphasized, the industry also contributes significantly to our national revenues and development. This duality compels us to proceed with prudence and objectivity.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.